In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp account. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to start using ClickUp for your projects and tasks. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any modern browser. In the address bar at the top, go to Google or simply type google.com if you aren't already there. Once you're on the Google homepage, click in the search bar and type the word ClickUp as one word, then press enter on your keyboard. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official ClickUp result, usually titled something like ClickUp Project Management or similar. It should clearly show it's from the clickup.com domain. Go ahead and click that result to open the ClickUp website. On the ClickUp homepage, we want to start creating your account. Look towards the top right area of the page for a button that says Sign Up. This might stand out in a different color to catch your eye. Click that button and it will take you to the Sign Up form. You'll now see fields asking for some basic details. Start by clicking into the field labeled Full Name. Type in your first and last name as you'd like it to appear in your workspace, then move on to the next field. Next, click into the field labeled Email. Here, enter an email address that you have access to and that you're comfortable using for work or personal productivity. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes because ClickUp may send confirmation or notification emails to this address. After that, click into the password field. Create a strong, unique password that you don't use on other sites. A good approach is to mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Take a moment to note it down in a secure password manager so you don't forget it. Once your name, email, and password are all filled in, look for the button that says Sign Up with Email and click it to create your account using the details you just entered. If you prefer, instead of typing everything out, you can choose to sign up using your Google account by clicking Continue with Google. This will let you connect ClickUp directly to your Google profile and skip manually entering your email and password. And that's it. You've now created your ClickUp account